Testing, testing, 1, 2, 3, testing, testing. Welcome back to 8482 Media. Today, I have a quick one for you guys on how to locate and utilize the negative waiver effect on CapCut. So, initially, what you're going to want to do is go up to Effects, Video Effects, Nightclub, and then scroll all the way down to find the negative waiver effect. We're going to click and drag it down to the timeline, bring it to the beginning of the clip, and then elongate to the rest of the clip. With it being highlighted, we can actually mess with the color of the effect, the filter, the horizontal, so we can move where we want this square to move, the size, the speed, and the vertical of this effect, and also add keyframes. So let's take a look. And there you guys have it, the negative waiver effect. If this was helpful in any way, please leave a like down below. If you have any questions, comment down below. Thank you guys for watching and have a great day.